Avoid undercharging or overcharging by doing this quick market research for home services so that you can have the best prices for your business, for your growth, and for your peace of mind. Hello, it's Chanique here, the Cleaning Authority boss, helping you, new and inspiring entrepreneurs, start and grow your business. So if you want to learn everything sales, marketing, and productivity so that you can be well paid and well appreciated as a cleaning business owner, so that you are strengthened in your mind, so that you enjoy the process to your dream life, be sure to subscribe. I'm on the road to 10K subscribers. Please help with a like, subscribe, and share. Doing so is going to help more people like you find my content so they too can thrive in their business and love the process as they achieve their dream life. Let's get into what market research looks like so that you can price your home service business correctly. Now, before I started my cleaning business, I had no idea how to price my services based on really bad advice, by the way. And I do not recommend you starting hourly and starting with a low hourly just to get experience. I don't recommend it. I truly believe that you can go into this business right away charging premium or charging according to the market rates in your city or town. It took a while for me to understand this, and I really hurt my business and my profits doing so. My first year was dreadful. I resented my business because I wasn't getting paid and I wasn't being respected. If you want to understand how to properly do the research so that you are on the right path of pricing your services, then stick to the end of this video so that you are confident doing the right market research for your prices. Now, why are you doing market research? Because you don't want to be charging too low and you don't want to be charging way too high for your market. And what's your market? Typically, it's not your city. It's not the competition around you. It's what is your ideal client willing to pay for the services you are providing. In addition to that, you need to understand your business growth, your business potential, your expenses, so that you are also accommodating that. Who are you servicing and are they willing or in a position to pay for your services? So don't get that mixed up that your market is other cleaning companies, because not all cleaning companies are servicing your market. What market research is not. So you're not trying to conduct market research so that you can copy someone else's pricing list. You're not doing market research so that you are pricing the same as another cleaning company. You are just understanding what your market is typically willing to pay, and you're understanding your market. So whenever I say market, I want you to think the person that's going to be paying for my services. I want to understand them, and I want to be able to be positioned in the way that they're willing to pay for my services. How often should you be doing market research? I will continue to do market research every 6 months. In the first year, I would say every 3 months to every 6 months. Eventually, you stop doing market research to understand the prices, and you're more really understanding how to market to these ideal people and in regarding to how to make your services more valuable versus how to price correctly for these people, because eventually you're going to be pricing according to your business growth as well as the strength of your business and your ability to sell. So if you have really good selling skills, you can actually sell at a higher rate. If you have really good services, if you have a really good team, you can charge higher. So your market research is not typically you don't want to always do market research to kind of stay in a pricing range, because eventually I'll grow that and you understand what that looks like for your business. Your market research right now is for those of you who do not really know how to price, you're completely new, and you kind of want to stay in a good range to what's happening in your market. Then eventually you're going to understand what that looks like for you, because you're going to analyze your numbers. So what are you considering when you're doing your market research? You're going to first consider your ideal client. Are you doing residential or commercial? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to figure out market researching for home services. Now, you're going to understand that your ideal client is a resident. You want to understand who your ideal client is. Is a residential homeowner? Are they renting? What that looks like. Is your ideal client typically for move in, move out cleans? Are you looking to get reoccurring clients? If you're looking for deep cleaning clients. And you may think, I want all of them. But when it comes to marketing and effective marketing, you want to market to a specific person because it's more effective. So if your ideal client is someone who is moving in or out, the majority of your marketing will gear to that. So it will also help with your market research, because when you go do the next steps, you're going to be asking specific questions around this specific ideal client. If you want to help with keeping track of your reports and understanding the health of your business, I highly recommend that you get the CRM Sister Jobber, because not only is it an amazing scheduling, booking, invoicing, coding, and payment software for your business, it's typically an office in your pocket, as well as a desktop version. It is also a place where you can track your reports of all the payments, deposits, as well as keeping timesheet, contractor tracking, everything you need number-wise to keep on track to ensure the health of your business. Jobber is the perfect CRM system. I love Jobber. I've been using it for over a year now, and I will not go back. So if you want to ensure that you are impressing your clients with the CRM system, as well as keeping track of your numbers, making sure that you understand keeping on track of your leads and your reoccurring clients, then Jobber is the CRM system for you. And you can try it completely free for 14 days using the link in my description box down below. What to consider, and when you go through this market research, you understand what your pricing would be for an average rate. Your next step is to build out your entire pricing sheet so that when you're on your inquiry calls, you can go ahead and give quotes efficiently, as well as just making sure that you have everything in order. You're not going under your pricing and just giving random people random quotes for any reason. You would stay consistent and you understand why. Then I would highly recommend the actual price for profit training that helps you build out your pricing sheet. And it's for both home and commercial office services. And you find that training in the all-in-one cleaning business growth guide. So in addition to that, you get a full course of how to start and grow your cleaning business, both as the cleaner and as well as how to start and transition into a remote cleaning business. But more importantly, you get access to me in our private Discord group, where you get hands-on support live 24/7. So whenever you need a question asked, whenever you feel unsure, whenever you just need a vent, you will have me and tons of members in that group to support you. You can check out the link to that guide and group in the description box down below. Now that you know who your ideal client is, whether you want to really push more deep cleaning, move out, move in cleans, routine cleans, and things of that nature, you're gonna go to the next step, and that's actually calling other cleaning companies in this area. You already know the area you currently service or you're going to service. It's time to call cleaning companies in that area. And you're going to call 3 different types. You're going to call 2 small mom and pop shops. You typically will find these cleaning business groups on Facebook, or like page 4, 5, and after on Google. They're more smaller and sometimes they're not really insured. I would ask those questions while you're doing this research. You're going to call them as if you are a client, and you're going to ask for a home that you would typically service in your area. So if you know that there's a lot of condos, especially if you want to do move in and move out cleans, if you want to service more multi-family homes, then you're going to call them requesting a type of home in that size on average, right? And you're going to get all the information, and then they're going to provide you with their quote. You're going to track that down. Next, you're going to call 2 companies that are more of a smaller business. Typically, they're on the first 2 to 3 pages. They may be also in Facebook group, but they've been in business for anywhere from 5 to 10 years, and they're growing. They're more of like a peer to you. They're insured and all that. You're going to ask them the same questions for the same type of home and see what their price is. And then the next group is more of a franchise, a bigger, well-known, famous, popular cleaning company near you for the same property. What you're going to do next is that you're not going to start your prices as low as the lowest, but you want to be close or just underneath the highest when you're first starting out. And the more you operate your business, you could then adjust your prices for the actual need of your business. Like I said, this market research isn't to copy other cleaning companies because you do not know their operational standpoint. You do not know their marketing budget, but you will know yours. So as you grow your business, you understand your numbers, your prices are always going to change. You need to understand what your numbers are and why your numbers are what it is. This is just a foundation point for those of you who do not know how to go about pricing your services, or you're in a place of transitioning, or you're changing your business structure and you want to see if you are still within market rate. Let me know if that helps you. I want to know your comments and questions down in the comment box below. I love to hear from you guys. The more you share, like, and comment, it's the more YouTube pushes out the content to help more people just like you find the confidence to achieve their dreams as a cleaning business owner, entrepreneur, and just have the best life ever as they reach there. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.